In this session, let us learn about Matplotlib subplots. Display multiple plots. With the subplot function, you can draw multiple plots in one figure. See example, draw two plots. We have drawn two plots, 1 and 2. See, by executing this code, the two plots were returned. The subplot function. The subplot function takes the three arguments that describe the layout of the figure. The layout is organized in rows and columns, which are represented by the first and second argument. The third argument represents the index of the current plot. PLT subplot 1 to 1. The figure has one row, two columns, and this plot is the first plot. The PLT subplot 1 to 2. The figure has one or two columns, and this plot is the second plot. So, if we want a figure with two rows and one column, meaning that the two plots will be displayed on top of each other instead of side by side, we can write the syntax like this. See here example, draw two plots on top of each other. See, by writing the syntax, see the result returns this is top 1 and 2. You can draw as many plots you like on one figure. Just describe the number of rows, columns, and the index of the plot. See, by writing the syntax, the 6 plots were arrived. See the syntax. Title. You can add a title to each plot with the title function. Two plots with titles. See here, we are giving syntax two plots with title sales. See here, sales and income. See here, sales and income title. See here, income title. Two plots we have created. Super title. You can add a title to the entire figure with the super title function. Add a title for the entire figure. See the result by executing this code, by writing the syntax. See, my shop, it's a super title. See here, PLT super title, my shop. Okay friends, this is the end of part 8 Matplotlib subplots. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Matplotlib scatter. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.